G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, Australia. Material's been wetted, rules in millimetres, and I'll zoom in so you can get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in a bit. Basically this is mine run material, so I'd like you to find a gem, but it's more sort of for practicing. A piece like that, you just cut the face down, get the pattern, make it into a pendant like that. A lot of people selling that sort of material. Cut it off the top as a face, another face on the back there. Might have to sacrifice it, but it might be worthwhile grinding that off. Decision's yours. But basically this material, it's good to learn on. That's really the way you should approach this. It's not, you're not going to cut big gemstones out of it, but something like that, cut that off. It's got a natural crack in it there, so it might split. All my comments are just guides. I can't guarantee what I say is going to happen. It's just, if I had the piece and I was cutting it, that's what I'd do. Same with this, I just cut it down, use this as a pattern, use it as a patterned face for a pendant. Again, try chasing the veins. It's got purpley mauves in it across the face here. Not super strong colours. Some of the material, like this piece I've just thrown in, you might as well get it, have it to play with, rather than me just throwing it away. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.